to laugh in morning light. Now he speaks of kings and rights. He walks the halls in silk and rage, brightness on every page. He said the book had torn him wide, the truth was something men must hide. But I saw long broken flaws and yellow eyes behind door. He crowned himself with rusted wire, built his throne from ghost and fire. He called it fate, I called it war, and yellow eyes beat the heart. Mr. Wilder with his twisted spine crawls out truths that rot the mind. I tried to pull him from the brink, but something grinned and I just sank. He crowned himself a rusted wire, built his throne from ghost and fire. He called it fate, I called it war, and yellow eyes behind the door. Golden crown in a mirror cracked, whispers crawl down the velvet track. The book I read was not a play, but something carved my mind away. Clockwork cats and kingdom lies, Mr. Wilder with his stitched shut eyes. He keeps the files, he guards the gate, and tells me dreams can conquer fate. I wear the robe, I bear the name, a prince reborn in halls of flame. But still I hear that distant tone, the mask behind the guild throne. The city bends beneath the weight of secrets sealed by shadow state. My cousin holds me mad with fear, but I see what they won't hear. I wear the robe, I bear the name, a prince reborn in halls of flame. But still I hear that distant tone, the mask behind a gilded throne.